Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay rent, and also how to set up your ACH bank payment. So I just sign the lease. I click continue. Yeah, right. So it's basically says, hey, you want any moving companies? No, we'll skip that. So here I just signed the lease. It says this is how much is due. I just click pay online, and then it'll walk you through the steps. So you can set up your ACH payments. Basically, these are payments that come directly from your bank account. You'll need your routing number and account number. Or you can pay with the credit card, which the credit card charges you a 3% processing fee. This is instant. This takes about maybe, I guess it can be instant. It takes, if you don't log in through your online banking to verify your account, it takes like 3 or 5 business days to send you micro deposits, and then you can verify it that way. So what we'll do here is, so we have rent of $950. There's a security deposit of $1,900. So you can pay them differently. Pay this with a credit card if you want. I wouldn't. The fee would be a lot. So what I want to have tenants do, really need to do, is set up the bank ACH payments. So you click setup. You'll do free standard account. We don't need to do an advanced account. And so you'll type in all your information here. If there's a business, then you click create account. Are you sure you entered a valid and accurate information? Yeah, sure. So and then, so this is the information about yourself, and then you click add bank account, and you type in your bank name. So for example, it could be Bank of America. And this is where you have a choice. You could choose to have them do 2 micro deposits to verify your account, which takes 1 to 3 business days, but I just say 3 to 5. And then you'll go in and verify it later. Or you can use instant verification, which you need to have online banking. So if you have online banking, click instant verification. You type in your online ID, your password twice, and then it's instantly verified, and you could pay instantly. That's the preferred method if you have online banking. If I did it, it worked great. So, and if you don't have online banking, you just have to go through, come on, what? I guess it's not allowing me to choose another option, which is weird. Let's refresh this page. Not letting me. Oh no, okay, never mind. I got confused. Okay, so use deposit verification. So you click that, and you type in your routing number on your check, and then your account number. This is your routing number. This is your account number. And then you can name your account however you want, like checking 1 for rent. You can create another bank account at your bank, and you can have it just specifically for rent. You just transfer the money into that account. So for security, some people do that. I don't like to move things, but I just have one main bank account that all of my expenses come out of, which is where the income comes in. But if you wanted to make another account and just move money every month that equals the amount that you have to pay for rent, then that would be fine too. There's many options, but you can checking account too for rent. So that'll just indicate which account you're setting up here. And then you click continue. I don't have any account information I'm going to put in, but once you click continue, it'll send those 2 small deposits in 1 to 3 business days. And then you go back to Tenant Cloud and click verify. Not really sure where that is, but just when you go to click, when you click pay with, when you click pay with Tenant Cloud payments, then you click pay online, the verification thing will show up. So it'll be like in the corner somewhere to verify the account. And that's about it. That's how you set up your ACH bank account with routing number and account number.